Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to post or share a note on Instagram. First, open your Instagram, and then on the upper right part of your screen you'll see your messages icon, so tap on that. And then on the top part here you'll see my friends posting their own notes, and as you can see in here I have an option to leave a note. So you'll see your icon in here, and then you'll tap the plus sign beside your icon on the upper right part of the icon. Tap on that, and then type in what you want to share as a note. So I would say, hey there. And then I have an option to share this with my followers, or I also have an option to share this to just my close friends in here. So you can just select any of them and then tap on done. Just make sure to select this one if you want just close friends. But if you want every followers you have to see the note, then tap on this and then tap share. And as you can see in here, beside my profile icon, there is my note. And that's how to share or post a note on Instagram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.